Welcome to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today we're going to be making a classic roast beef. It's been a while since I had this recipe, so I thought it would be nice to share it with y'all. Got a 3-pound rump roast, so we'll be trussing it, seasoning it, searing it, and then put it in the oven till we reach an internal temperature of probably 145 degrees to 150 degrees. So nice medium rare. And we'll be serving it with new potatoes. So we'll get started with the recipe. Thanks for coming along. For seasoning, we have Poultry Magic, black pepper, granulated garlic, and salt, equal parts. Apply it to all sides of the roast. Another recipe that I added to this meal is going to include glazed carrots. So a little something extra for y'all. Now that the roast is seasoned, we'll truss it with our butcher string, just so that it cooks evenly. I loop the string twice before I tie the knot, and that keeps your string from slipping. Okay, now we are ready to sear the roast. I'm adding probably 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, something with a high smoke point. And I'm going to sear all sides of the roast. Once all sides of the roast was seared, I deglazed the pan with chicken stock. Once I deglazed the pan, I added the roast back to the pan with 1/4 inch of liquid in the bottom of the pan and put it into a 400-degree oven for about an hour and 10 minutes. and that got me to 150 degrees. Here I have 3 large carrots. I peeled each carrot and cut into 2 to 3 inch pieces. To start cooking the carrots, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, at this point we'll add the carrots. Make sure the water goes just to the top of the carrots, and also I cut a piece of parchment paper to put down in the saucepan while the carrots cook. A lid will not work when you're glazing carrots. The carrots cooked for about 25 minutes on medium-low, swirling the saucepan occasionally. We're at the halfway point on the roast, just double checking the temperature. At this point we're at 88 degrees, so another 30 minutes at 400 degrees put us at 150 degrees internal temperature. Here I'm adding the new potatoes to boiling water. Those will cook for about 10 minutes. You want them where a fork or a knife goes in easily at the center. Now we start on the finishing sauce. Once the potatoes are done, started out with a tablespoon of butter. Gonna dice up or chop some parsley, and we'll add 2 cloves of fresh garlic to the butter and microwave for 25 seconds, just until the butter's melted. Alright, our potatoes are just tender. We'll drain those and add them to a saute pan. With a large wooden spoon, just crush each potato. Try and keep it intact as much as possible. From there, we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter and we'll fry each side until golden brown. Be sure to salt and pepper the potatoes to taste. Next step, we'll add the chopped parsley to the butter and garlic. After about 25 minutes, all the water has evaporated from the carrots. At this point, your carrots are fork tender, glazed perfectly, and ready to serve. The potatoes are a nice golden brown on both sides. I added the garlic and parsley butter to the top of each potato. One last look at the carrots before they hit the plate. Remove the butcher string from the roast, and we're ready to carve. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you like my content, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.